Salam baba. Alaikum salam. Sharaf. Yes baba. Go clean the dishes. Don't look at me like that. Who are you looking at? Go. Okay baba. Fine. Lazy boy. Get on the Snapchat real quick. This stupid boy is gonna drive me crazy here at this house.
Get in my DM, slide in my DM. Snapchat. Baba,
What are you doing? Stupid boy, please turn off the water. You're wasting my water.
okay. I'm sorry for wasting the water, Baba. I'm sorry.
Your stupid phone will drive me crazy. I'm going nuts. My sugar is going from bottom to top. I will be at the moon soon.
Okay, I will do the dishes and go do my school books. I'm sorry.
I'm about to have one of these days. You're gonna make me have a heart attack. My heart. Give me your phone.
Baba, please don't take my phone away, Baba. Please.
Give me your phone.
Please don't take my phone away.
Give me your phone.
I need this. I'm sorry.
Son, don't be stupid right now. Don't be stupid right now. Do not talk back to me. Do you want a belt?
No, Baba.
Yeah, I didn't think so. Give me the phone.
But how am I gonna call you when I need a ride from school? When I need a ride home?
Ooh, how are you gonna get home from school? Like you do anything at school. You shouldn't go to school no more. You know what? You will be taking the bus. Give me your phone. Stupid boy. Smartphone. You don't need no smartphone.
When am I gonna get it back?
Just do the dishes.
I'm gonna get it when I wash the dishes?
Sure. Just do the dishes, okay?
Oh, okay, great.
This boy, he don't know what to do. No more. I have headache. Alhamdulillah. Baba, all done.
Baba, I did all the dishes. Can I have the phone back?
Are you serious? Go. You know what? Go wash bathroom. Go to the bathroom and wash bathroom.
Are you serious, Baba?
Go to the bathroom and wash bathroom.
But you told me I just did the...
Who bought you the phone? I bought the phone. I keep it. Go wash the bathroom. Crazy boy.